I have my oils in here, olive, coconut, shea, castor, and palm. Pouring in my lye water. Okay, there we go. Rinsing out my lye bucket for that one. And then for this, from my last batch of soap, I'm just wiping it down. Nothing fancy, you don't need to do a big washing, nothing like that. Just get most of it off and you'll be good, okay? All right, so then let me also put in my goat's milk and my kale and clay. This helps hold my fragrance. Okay. Don't let me forget my fragrance. Where's my fragrance? Right here. This is for my men's set that I'm doing. Love, love, love it. Okay, here we go. This is my regular olive oil soap recipe, right? Let's see, where'd it go? Here it is. Here's my olive oil soap recipe for you, La Diana, and then Beverly, for you, here's my How to Make Soap for Beginners e-course right here. Got that going right there. Okay, now look at that nice trace. See how it just leaves a nice little dots all over the top. That's a really good trace, okay? So now for this one, the colors I'm using are activated charcoal. You can get all these at homemadesoapmakingsupplies.com. Heaven's Gold and Bronze mica, okay? Those are the ones that I'm using this time. And let me grab, here we go, and white, I'm doing white also, okay? So here we go. And I do not have a mold. Hey, Gina. Okay. Forgot my fragrance. Oh my goodness, you guys. You guys know me. If I forget my fragrance, I will forget my fragrance. Okay, thank you. Just set it right there for me. All right, so let me stir in my fragrance. Thank you, thank you. All right, get that all stirred in. Goodbye, Carrie. Good luck on your job interview. Oh, Heather. Yay. Please, please, please be careful. I was on bed rest with all 4 of mine, so I know how that goes. Okay, so bronze, gold, and black. And then white. I think I'm going to add just a bit more of these two. Okay, there we go. So for my white, okay, then for my black, this is activated charcoal. This will make a great soap for teen boys with, well, let's just say teen facial soap for boys. This would be a great one for them. Can't make any claims, you know. Okay, now this is my bronze. Love it, love it, love it. And this one is Heaven's Gold. Okay, love it, love it, love it. I think it is Tiffany. I think this color combo is going to be great. I'm super excited. Okay, so you start on your lightest color first and work your way to your darkest, okay? Now, I did not purposely set these up this way, but if you're organized, and you happen to remember to set them up, you can just go 1, 2, 3, 4 and get them all done. So. Now, this color, as you saw, has a little bit of a orangish tinge to it. So my white is not going to be pure white, and I'm totally okay with that. It's more of a beige. I just want something that's slightly lighter than those other colors. Okay, so I've got that one. Okay, there we go. Let me check comments here real quick. Got behind. Where can I purchase your soap and how? And is there a how-to book? Yes, there is. Right here is my soap e-course. There you go, Shonda. And then my soap, if you want to buy my soap, it is right here. And actually, you know what? I reactivated this coupon for a person because we had a problem with the order. Just for you guys, you can use this coupon and it'll let you order with 25% off. So don't tell myself I just did that, but if you guys want, if you're new and you want to give it a try. Okay, so let me just stir, make sure I have all my edges. Oops. Good. Okay. Like that. And looking good. Yep. And then, yep, got everything down there too. Looking good. Okay. Super happy with that. Now, this is going to be what's called an in the pot swirl. And I'm just going to pour in just like one in each third of the bucket. And then my black. Oh, look at those colors. That is gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Can you see that? Look at that. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is just gently swirl these in the pot. That's why it's called in the pot swirl. Oh. That's it. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Nothing real hard. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my wonderful mold that my friend Daryl makes for me. You can get these in there too if you want. And just taking a regular trash bag. Okay. And I'm cutting off the end. Okay, so see, I'm just cutting off the end. Of course, it'd be better if I didn't have Jack's scissors, but, and then I'm going to take, go down one side, doop-de-doop-de-doo, doop-de-doop-de-doo. Oh, seriously, this is not that complicated. There. And then, going down this end, and what I do is I just bunch it up right on the thing, on the, whatever you call it, the crease. Okay. Then you just line your mold. And if your bag has writing on it, just put that on the bottom side here. Okay. Nice and smooth. All right, here we go. You guys ready? Woo, loving it. That is perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. Yay. I am excited. That actually turned out just like I was hoping. Oh, I can't believe it. I am super happy. Okay, let's get all of it in here. You guys see how cool that looks? Okay. Okay. Then just take and smooth it down. Now I'm going to pound it down. That gets all the air holes out. Okay, let me scrape the edges. Just get them as smooth as possible. Okay, now Laudiana, I can't wait to see it cut either. I think this is going to be cool. I'm going to cut it on tomorrow's live show at 4:30 Mountain. If you guys are new, Living on a Dime on Facebook and YouTube. We go live with our cooking shows. I just started making soap as a hobby, and my viewers loved seeing it, so I just kept going, and now I've turned it into another business. Okay. Nice little ditties on top here. There. Oh, I love that. I love that. Love it. Now, I do think, no, I don't. Okay. I was thinking about putting gold on top, but I don't think I'm going to. Okay, so now I'm spraying it with my rubbing alcohol. There we go. Now I'm going to put this under a box with a blanket on it. Let it sit for 24 hours, and then tomorrow I will cut it. Now let's get on to our ribbon soap for Christmas. Oh.